because you can't have that upward.
Weather and running just doesn't work out very well. Here we got Tyler Nelson trying to run. No.
Oh, blizzard, flash, flood, something.
Stop, drop, and roll.
Oh, stop, drop, and roll. What happened?
Go tackle him.
Cold, burr. Oh, jeez, cold.
That's what happens. Don't do this at home, boys and girls.
Brr.
Oh, look at those hands. Look at those hands. They're freezing. Oh, dang, we should have got this done in a warm day.
I think I'm gonna go running for a while.
Okay, man. Careful of those blizzards. Careful of those blizzards. Oh, hey, out of the video. All right.
Hey, stupid freshman! The bell rang. Go to class.
Oh.
There's a snowbank there.
Oh, we gotta get to class.
I hate fucking blizzards like this.
Well, they're stupid juniors over there.
Hurt your shoulder, gosh darn.
All right. It's been like, what? This is. Just record this going to class. It's weather. Not yet.
Yes, we're wasting time.
Gotta get a minute. And that's everything.